We all know about WhatsApp and its functions, but do we know about WhatsApp Business? For anyone running a business and not using WhatsApp is a big missed opportunity to stand out in the market. So in today's video, we'll discuss what a WhatsApp business account is. And I'll show you step by step how to create a professional looking WhatsApp business account that your customers will love. So without any further delay, let's start the video. WhatsApp Business app is highly ideal for small to medium scale businesses and a free solution to streamline your lead generation, marketing and sales support. So here we learn how to create a WhatsApp account. Let's say you're a business owner and you want to directly connect with your customers to promote your products in the market. You can do it easily by simply creating a WhatsApp business account. You can also answer customers' queries throughout purchasing. First, you need to go to the Play Store. In the search box, type WhatsApp Business app and install it. After successfully installing the app, click on Open. Now we move to the second step. Accept the terms of service. Now, the third step is register your mobile number and select which number you want to use. The same WhatsApp number you're using or a different one for a WhatsApp business account. We recommend you use a different number so that it'll be easy for you to handle your chats. Once you have entered the phone number, click on OK. An OTP will be sent to your provided number and WhatsApp will automatically detect that OTP. Then it'll ask to verify your number. Now, give access to the WhatsApp business account to take your contacts and media to easily send messages and photos to people or businesses. Now click on Continue. Next, allow WhatsApp Business to access photos and media on your device. Now create your business account. For that, you need to add a profile picture for your business. Click on the gallery, select the image and click on Done. Now give your business some name. For example, here I'm writing New Style Fashion. Next step is to select the category of your business. Like here, I'm selecting apparel and clothing. After that, you will have some more options for the description of your business. Now here you need to mention your business address and click on Next for initializing. Once it's done, we'll see the option of creating the catalog. But for now, we'll skip this part. So in this way, you can create your WhatsApp business account. Once you created your account, how will you inform your customers about your business? In your phone contact history, you will get all your saved contacts. In that list, select the contacts you want to send the message to. And here comes the last step, which is about to add your product to your WhatsApp profile. Now click on the three dots at the corner, select Business Tools, click on the catalog and add your business items here. Add images, product name, product description and save it. Now you have successfully created the WhatsApp business account. I hope this video is useful. Now it's your turn to tell us about your business. We'd love to know how you guys are planning to use WhatsApp business account and what business you're currently running. We read and reply each comment. Thanks and take care. We'll meet soon in our next WhatsApp marketing video where we'll teach you how small businesses can use WhatsApp to scale their online empire. Goodbye.